Okay, this is both latch. One is faulty. Okay, this one is faulty. This one is new that I got from recondition. Recon, it's not new actually, it's recon. Okay, I want to assemble all these things later on. This is the door. Okay, this is the passenger front door that is having problem. I tried to find in YouTube how to fix this problem, but unfortunately there's no video. Okay, this is the wire attached to the power window. This is the door that we will assemble later on. There are many accessories assembly inside this door. Okay, you can see this is the door assembly. Okay, we will attach to the latch later on, right? So when I have to detach this latch from the door assembly, I have to lower down, unscrew this window frame. Okay, this is the rubber frame, window frame. Okay, this one is not in any YouTube or media to tell you how disassemble it. Okay, we will attach this one back to the door latch. Alright, so hopefully it will okay, and the door can be closed back. Alright, so this is the cable been returned back to the latch, the door cable. One is for the door, outside door, and the other one is for the inside door. So we will reassemble back, screw together with the door assembly. Basically there are two screws for this D6. When you need to assemble back to the door assembly, there's two screws. It's a star type. Okay, so you need to have this Allen key or star type to unscrew this screw. Okay, so I will assemble back this to door assembly, and we will see how it will attach back. Okay, so I've already screwed the body, the latch body, to the door assembly. Right now you need to screw back to its original place, whereby to the door latch door here. Okay, there's a 3 bolt need to be screwed back, and then you have to need to reattach back the door cover. That's what I mean, sorry, the door handle here. Right, so I need to screw that back, and then after that there's a window frame here that I also need to do reassemble back and screw back. And then here is the window rubber that will be need to be attached back to the original, to the frame, original position of the frame. Okay, after you already adjusted and then you install back the latch, so here is the window frame. Okay, it will be screwed to, the screw is at the other side of this door. So this important thing, you screw back this window frame. Okay, and because of the first thing that obstructing for this latch with the door handle up here is that is due to this window frame here. Okay, so you need to unscrew this one and to lower it down first. Okay, Now I have to attach it back, and then we screw it back to its original position. Okay, I screwed the door handle ready from the door assembly inside this left door. Okay, make sure it's secured, and you can see that this, what you call that, this will prevent it from falling, this rubber. Okay, make sure it's secured before you assemble the whole doorknob. Okay, and the 3 screw for the latch is already secured, and also the window frame also be installed together with the rubber. Okay, so I just want to test the window whether it's aligned and positioned correctly going down to this frame rubber. Okay, we will test it first. Right. I'm going to test the power window. Okay, using this remote. It's going down. Is it aligned with the... Alright, it's going down. It looks okay. Okay, it's going down, going up, so it's lined with the rubber. Okay, should be okay. Now we'll test back the door, and we'll see from there. Right, to put back the door handle, just you have to first, okay, install the main handle here. Okay, and slide it through. Is it secure? Okay, now it's secure. Okay, you can see it's playing freely. Okay, going up and down, and it's secured ready. Right, then you need to secure back this small handle here. Just push it. Okay, let me do it the other hand here. Okay, it's secure, but not that secure, because you need to just screw there inside this hole. You need a small screw, then you need to screw with an Allen key, and then the rubber cover will secure this back. Okay, you can see the screw there. Okay, this is when you need to secure back this small handle from falling. Alright, okay, that was quite sloppy. I didn't install this rubber back. Okay, this one should go inside first before you secure anything. Okay, remember to install this rubber first before you install the door cover here. Okay, so I did make a mistake. I have to open it back and then secure it back. Right, done with the door cover. Right, so now try to test the door with the latch wheel after this lock. So this the cover. When you need to remove this one, you have to remove the screw here first before you remove the door handle. Okay, so we test whether the latch, there's the main one. Okay, just close this one first. So it's locked. Okay, so the door latch is finally installed. It's a record latch because I bought it for almost about 500 ringgit. If you go to the service center, it costs you 900 ringgit plus GST and labor charge, maybe around 1200. I've changed already the back door before on the door latch, also having the same problem. That was my bad experience regarding this door latch. I think Ford should look into it. Ford Thailand should look into it. More concerned on this latch, why it's faulty, and then having problem when it's faulty, it cannot be closed and your door is free to open, and it's very dangerous when you're driving. Right, so I will install back all the assembly here. The door panel, the power window, and this will be also connected to the door handle as well. Hopefully this will be a beneficial video to all Ford Ranger who are having their T6 problem issues on the door latch. Okay, the door latch is finally secured. Just earlier that I said this is a power window socket, but it's not actually. It's from the door latch to centralize the lock and unlock for this Ford T6. Okay, now it's been secured. Everything is secured, and there's a cover here. Okay, the door cover. Okay, make sure that you put it back to its original place. Right, there will be tear when you need to tear it down, so do not worry. There's like a glue, rubber glue, and it will secure back. Okay, this is the power window. I have to unscrew this one first before I install back the door panel and secure everything, including the speaker here, the tweeter maybe. Okay, and then we do from there. The door is now secure actually, so I have no problem with the latch. This is a Recon latch. You can get it maybe around 500 to 600 ringgit. From the service center, brand new is almost 900. Together with the labor charge, GST is about 1,200. So I finally done it on my own basically. I don't know much. Some of the forums said they can repair and replace the spring here, but I'm not that too confident with it, so I just replace it with a Recon one, and hopefully will do fine. Maybe it will withstand another 4 years. Yeah, I'm about to install back the door panel here, the inside of the door panel of this 46 2013. You can see there's a power window here. This is a socket. Another one is the from the door latch. This is the cable from the door that you need to secure it somewhere around here. Okay, and the power window is further down here to the socket here, but you reconnect that back. Okay, it's very tight, quite tight, so maybe you need 2% to handle the door and one is to secure, but I managed to secure it, both of it. So we will put back this panel back and secure everything. Okay. Alright, the panel is already secure. Before you bolt anything on the screws here, there's 1, 2 hand here at the handle. Okay, and okay, now it's connected ready, the window, power window. And there's another, you can see from here, it's a 2 screws. Okay, sorry about the lighting. That okay, there's 2 screws here, need to be secured with a Phillips screwdriver. But before that, you need to secure back the tweeter speaker here. Okay, here is the speaker, and you can see there's a rubber looks like a handle to this speaker, so you just put it here and then slide it down. Okay, this okay, slide it down. Okay, but first you need to connect back the wire here. Okay, the wire speaker is already been installed. So you need to attach this two slot here to this white thing here. Okay, right, here's the cover. This is cover, the tweeter. So you just snap it inside. Is it secure properly? Okay, it's like that. Okay, all right. So the door panel been screwed ready to the left door. Okay, two screws at this door, two screws. Okay, another one is down here. Okay, so that is how you install the door panel. Behind it there's a few, what you call, this white rubber, like it's like a bolt, how you want to say it, to secure this door, but already broken one, so you have to be careful when you're opening it up. Right, so you're going to secure this back, this door handle panel, and the last one is to screw back this one. This one is need to use the Allen key to do this, or if not mistaken, it's a star Allen key. Then make sure all these screws, latch, are in good condition and secured properly. Right, door panel is secured properly, and also the door panel handle been put back. You just clip it back, plug and play. And the last one, after you secure everything, don't forget to screw this back using the styling key. Right, this cover will be put back, and this part is the last part of it. Right, okay, everything has been secured back. Hopefully this video is beneficial for those who having the latch problem on your Ford TC T6 2012 to 13. Okay, mine is T6 2013. Okay, and then now I can close the door. Okay, the door is secured properly, and I can open it back. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hopefully this video is benefit to all those having this problem.